Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can easily trim your YouTube videos. So first of all, go to your YouTube studio in your Chrome or desktop. After going that, here you can see all the videos that you have uploaded on your channel. Here you go on the contact, on the content, what's your content on the second row. Now you can see all the short or long videos. First of all, I want to tell you that you can't trim your short video, just you can trim your long video. First of all, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. Here you can see all the short videos. After I am editing short videos from YT Studio, there is no option of trim the video, so you have to note that you can't trim your short videos, only you can trim your long videos. Hope so you understand what I am going to say. So here you can see there's no option of trimming the video on the short videos, so you have to go to the long video to trim your videos from YouTube Studio after uploading. If there is any copyright or anything else in your videos, you can trim from here of your long videos. Now go to your long videos. I have a long video one uploaded on my channel, and when I go to the long videos, here you can see there's a lot of option: edit, apply music, and all the editing if you want you can do from there after uploading the video. So this is the very easy step. You can edit your video after uploading from YT Studio on desktop. So now what you have to do, here you can see on the screen there is an option of trim. Now you can trim your video from the start and to the end. If you want to cut the starting point or starting video, if you want to cut the end point, you can also cut. If you want to cut your video from the middle, you can also trim your video. Trim means you can edit your video, cut video, short the video. So here this is the method how you can easily cut, trim your video. Hope so friends you enjoy watching this video, and this is very informative video for you if you want to change setting of your uploaded video. So hope so you like this video.